This is an example of a Roman numeral answer choice, PSAT kind of math question, where we've got three choices and then we have to select the combination of those that's always true. So the question is, if x times x minus y is equal to 0 and x is greater than 0, which of the following statements must be true? And so we have three of these answer choices. Number 1, x is equal to 0. Number 2, y is less than 0. And number 3, y minus x is greater than 0. So where we need to start here is this first equation that they give us. I've got two things that multiply together to give me 0. So x times x minus y is equal to 0. So this is the zero product property. If you multiply two things together to get 0, then one of the things, maybe both of them, had to be 0 to begin with. So it's possible that x is equal to 0, or it's possible that x minus y is equal to 0. Now there's no guarantee that it's one or the other one, so you can't just automatically assume that number 1 is true. So I need to simplify this second equation here. Let's add the y over and get x is equal to y. Now, I know that that one cannot be true just simply because it says that x has to be greater than y, so it cannot be equal to y at the same time. So if that one's not true, then this one does have to be true. So we have an answer choice where, it has to include the number 1. So if I look at my answer choices, I know I can at least cross out B. Okay, so now, let's see. I have x is greater than y. Why don't we go ahead and just substitute 0 in here for x. So I have 0 is greater than y, or if I rewrite that, I would have y is less than 0. Okay, since that's based on this true statement that x is equal to 0, this also must be a true statement. So I need to have number 2 as part of the answer as well. So this crosses out A, and it also crosses out D. So now I have a 50-50 choice. I just need to decide if 3 works or not. So let's just take that one. Y minus x is greater than 0. Let's substitute in 0 for x, and I would have y is greater than 0. Well, y can't be greater than 0 because we just concluded that y has to be less than 0. So 3 cannot work. And if 3 can't work, then our answer is C, 1 and 2 only.